We have one more kit to announce again, and we'll just keep these kits going. They're awesome. This one is called Glitz, so it's putting on the glitz, a little bit of glitz for you. We've picked some awesome colors for you. You've got your peach quartz shadow, you have your purple night contour, and you have your Monaco accentuating color, beautiful pop of color. Moonbeam for highlighting your face, and then you've got your two blushes, which are Rosebud and Adobe. You'll love that combination, really fun for going out. And then you have your three lip collection is your Toast Liner and Latte Lipstick, which is definitely going to help with that moisture throughout. You can wear that day or night. And then you have your Nougat Gloss for hydrating. So put on your glitz and step out, have some fun.